Musikfest has been taking place in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania since 1984. The festival was created by ArtsQuest, a community-based nonprofit organization. This festival has grown to be one of the most diverse and one of the largest music festivals in the entire nation. The festival hosts local bands as well as big-name groups. Over the course of 10 days, 500 shows of all genres debut across 17 stages. Musikfest also has a variety of food and beverages to enjoy while you watch the shows.
Rockin' and reelin'. Well, I'm rockin' and reelin'. Well, I'm rockin' and reelin' to that broad daylight. Joy starts jumping back, dust will fly. And that's alright, we'll all be high. Come on down and join that fun. There's a guy and gal for everyone. Rockin' and reelin'.
Musikfest is something we enjoy year after year. Hope to see you there.
Right, that's Brad Schiller on the vocals and bass.